Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate mockups in Placeit by verifying assets. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate mockups in Placeit, start by visiting the Placeit website. Navigate to the mockup section. Select the mockup you wish to verify. Once the mockup is loaded, locate the asset panel on the right side. Upload your design file by clicking the Upload button. Ensure your design conforms to the required dimensions. After uploading, check how your design interacts with the mockup. Look for any distortion or misalignment in the preview. Next, find the option for asset verification. Click on the Asset Verification button. A pop-up will display the details needed for authentication. Review the specifics, including design quality and compatibility. Confirm the accuracy of the information presented in the pop-up. If everything appears correct, proceed to finalize your mockup. Download or share your verified mockup as needed. Keep a record of the verification for future reference. This process ensures your mockups are authentic and accurately represent your designs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.